renderforest is a cloud-based online platform for creating videos, animations, and websites. It offers a variety of templates, tools, and features for users to design and produce professional-looking multimedia content without requiring prior technical skills or experience. Some of the services offered by renderforest include logo animation, explainer videos, website builders, and more. renderforest offers a user-friendly interface that enables users to create professional-looking multimedia content quickly and easily. The platform features a wide range of templates that cover various categories such as business, education, and entertainment, among others. The templates are designed by professional graphic designers, ensuring that the content created using them is of high quality. One of the key benefits of using renderforest is its vast library of royalty-free media assets such as images, videos, music, and sound effects. This allows users to enhance the visual appeal of their content without having to worry about copyright issues. The platform also offers advanced editing tools that enable users to customize their projects to their specific needs, such as adding text, changing colors, and adjusting the duration of elements. renderforest also provides a comprehensive video production solution, enabling users to create high-quality animated and live-action videos. The platform offers a range of animation styles, including 2D and 3D animations, and allows users to easily add and edit elements such as text, images, and music. Furthermore, renderforest provides a video hosting service that enables users to securely host and share their videos online. The platform also offers a website builder that enables users to create custom websites without needing to have any coding knowledge. renderforest's website builder features an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy for users to create and publish professional-looking websites. The platform offers a wide range of customizable templates and design elements, including background images, fonts, and color schemes, that allow users to create a unique website that matches their brand identity. In conclusion, renderforest is a comprehensive multimedia content creation platform that provides a variety of services for businesses and individuals. With its user-friendly interface, vast library of media assets, advanced editing tools, and comprehensive video production solution, renderforest makes it easy for users to create professional-looking multimedia content with minimal effort. Whether you need to create a logo animation, an explainer video, or a custom website, renderforest is a cost-effective solution that can help you achieve your goals. renderforest features. renderforest offers several features, including templates, a wide range of templates for various multimedia projects, including logo animations, explainer videos, and websites, among others. Media library, a vast library of royalty-free media assets, including images, videos, music, and sound effects, to enhance the visual appeal of projects. Editing tools, advanced editing tools to customize projects, such as adding text, changing colors, and adjusting the duration of elements. Video production, a comprehensive video production solution that enables users to create high-quality animated and live-action videos. Video hosting, a video hosting service to securely host and share videos online. Website builder, an intuitive drag-and-drop website builder that enables users to create custom websites without coding knowledge. Customization, customizable templates and design elements, including background images, fonts, and color schemes, to create a unique website that matches the brand identity. User-friendly interface, an easy-to-use interface that makes it simple for users to create professional-looking multimedia content quickly and easily. Affordable pricing. renderforest offers affordable pricing plans for businesses and individuals, making it a cost-effective solution for creating multimedia content. renderforest benefits. The benefits of using renderforest include professional content creation. renderforest enables users to create professional-looking multimedia content without prior technical skills or experience. Wide range of templates. The platform offers a wide range of templates for various categories, including business, education, and entertainment, ensuring that users can find a suitable template for their specific needs. Royalty-free media assets. The vast library of royalty-free media assets, including images, videos, music, and sound effects, allows users to enhance the visual appeal of their content without worrying about copyright issues. Customization options. Advanced editing tools and customizable templates and design elements enable users to create projects that match their brand identity. Comprehensive video production. The video production solution enables users to create high-quality animated and live-action videos, making it a one-stop shop for video production needs. Video hosting. The video hosting service enables users to securely host and share their videos online. Website builder. The website builder enables users to create custom websites without coding knowledge, making it easy for businesses and individuals to create a professional-looking website. User-friendly interface. The platform's user-friendly interface makes it easy for users to create multimedia content quickly and easily. Affordable pricing. Renderforest offers affordable pricing plans for businesses and individuals, making it a cost-effective solution for creating multimedia content.